Looking to boost your savings in Canada in 2025? A high-interest savings account is a great way to do it. Here are three compelling options to consider for maximizing your returns. First, take a look at the EQ Bank Personal Account. While technically a hybrid account, it consistently offers one of the highest everyday interest rates without the typical fees associated with savings account. You get the flexibility of a bank account with significant savings growth potential. Another strong contender is the Simply Financial High Interest Savings Account. As a division of CIBC, Simply often provides attractive promotional rates for new clients, giving your initial savings a significant boost. Even after the promotional period, the regular rates remain competitive and there are no monthly fees. Finally, consider the Coho Spending and Savings Account. Coho offers a unique approach by providing a high interest rate on your entire balance across both spending and savings portions. It's a user-friendly option with no monthly fees and the added benefit of cashback on spending. Remember to always check the latest interest rates and terms directly with these financial institutions, as they can change. By exploring these top contenders, you can find the best high-interest savings account to help your money grow in 2025.